In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Calendar events all. We're using the fastest approach, deleting the entire calendar so every event on it disappears at once. This is powerful and immediate, so take a moment to be sure you're targeting the right calendar before you proceed. Start by opening your web browser and going to calendar.google.com. Once your calendar loads, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of calendars, typically under sections like My Calendars or Other Calendars. Find the specific calendar whose events you want to remove completely. Double-check the name. If you manage multiple calendars, work, personal, shared, it's easy to click the wrong one. Hover your mouse over that calendar's name. A small icon with 3 vertical dots will appear next to it. Click those 3 dots to open the quick menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you straight to the settings page for that exact calendar, which is where the delete option lives. On the settings page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Remove Calendar. It's usually closer to the bottom, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just keep scrolling. In this section, you'll find the option to delete. Click Delete, and you'll be asked to confirm. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, all events on that calendar are erased, and the calendar itself is removed from your list. The change is immediate and applies everywhere you use Google Calendar, on the web, on your phone, and in any connected apps. If you don't own the calendar, you might not see a delete option. In that case, the platform may only allow you to remove your access. But for calendars you created and control, delete will permanently remove every event on that calendar in one step. A quick recap. Go to calendar.google.com, find the calendar on the left, click the 3 dots next to its name, select Settings and Sharing, scroll to Remove Calendar, and click Delete to confirm. That's it. Remember, this is irreversible, so make sure you're deleting the correct calendar before you confirm. If this walkthrough helped you clear out your schedule fast, feel free to replay any part to double-check the steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.